YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Bliss. I want to talk about this product that I have been using for a couple of months now, and I absolutely love this product. I think it's great if you wear protective styles because it makes it easy for you to apply it directly to your scalp. So the product that I'm talking about, and you guys saw the thumbnail, it's none other than the So Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Y'all, this is so cute. They have So Bold, So Confident, and So You. So I absolutely love that. This product consists of a recipe of awesome oils. Has avocado, vitamin E, moringa. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. And avocado oil. So it's definitely a recipe of awesome oils in addition to your black castor oil. The purpose of this particular oil is very simple. It is to reverse damaged hair. This oil helps with moisture retention. It also helps for healthy hair growth, nourishing your scalp, and it also helps with damaged hair follicle and to moisturize your skin. Simple as that. Product is easy to use. If you are a natural hair girl, I'm sure you're not new to using Jamaican black castor oil, or maybe you are. But according to the directions, the best way to use this particular oil is just to part your hair into sections and apply it to your scalp. For the best results, it's best to apply it toward on damp hair. So keep that in mind. You guys, this definitely helps with the itching when you have a protective style. That was one of the main reasons why I purchased this oil, in addition to trying to grow my hair back and get my scalp back to a healthy place. So healthy scalp means healthy hair growth. I purchased this product from Amazon, you guys. I caught it on sale for $9.99, and I believe it is still $9.99. This Jamaican black castor oil is no different from any other Jamaican black castor oil that you have used. You know, it's a thick consistency. I truly believe a little bit goes a long way, and being that this is great to use on damp scalp, it would definitely help you massage that oil more thoroughly throughout your scalp. So keep that in mind. One downfall that I don't like about this particular product, you guys, is that it smells funny. Like the Jamaican black castor oil has a very strong scent, so the scent does linger for about a day or so. So just keep that in mind. Is this something I would buy again? Absolutely. I don't have any complaint thus far. I cannot wait to take this protective style down just to see what that hair growth looks like. But if you guys are interested in what my hair growth looks like as of now, I don't know if you guys can see. This is my hair now from using this oil. That's crazy. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm working with as of currently from using this particular oil. But yeah, you guys, also So has some other products in their line. If you're interested, I'll link that information down in the description box below. Y'all, one more thing I forgot to mention, it is very important. When I first used this product, I noticed that I felt I don't want to say burning, but that's the only other way that I can describe it. Initially, I felt a burning sensation, but when you use this with water, I don't feel that at all. And again, a little bit goes a long way, because I think initially I applied just too much of the oil. I think initially I applied too much of the oil, and it was just too much for my scalp. So applying it to damp scalp really makes a big difference. So just keep that in mind. Moving right along. But yeah, that's it. Super simple, you guys. So if you've tried So products, tell me what your thoughts are about it. If you have any in-depth questions about this particular product, the Jamaican black castor oil in the line, let your girl know. I see you too in the next one. Smooches.